While you're busy getting your heart broken from first world country presidents and third world country presidents rugging you with their meme coins on Solana, me and my group, well, we're too busy banking easy instant 6xers overnight with these tokens on Solana. Solana's not the problem. The problem is there's too much crap out there and you need to know which tokens to get in. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make a clean $10,000 profit in this video. Francis Dune, uncensored. If you're new here, my name is Francis Dune, and on this channel, we like to put you guys ahead of the pack before things go mainstream. That way, you seek value into things before the rest of the market agrees it's valuable and they pump your bags. We do have tomorrow's newspapers today on the Smart Money channel, so if that sounds interesting to you, do like, subscribe, but most importantly, smash the bell notification buttons because, you know, my videos are normally time sensitive and you want to get that information as soon as possible. Also follow us on Twitter. We do have exclusive content over there that we drop as well. So guys, what token did I get in that literally gave an instant 6x? Although I sold at 4x, I am still up $10,000, $10,500 to be precise, and I'll share that with you guys. You need to understand, you need a clear edge in today's market. Today's market isn't just a market of where you okay, well, I invested into this coin and I love the utility and the team is awesome and it's legit and it's going to the moon. Those days are long gone where you hold something for months and months and months and see it goes up. You must move with the market, and it's a trader's market. So you need an edge on things that are ideally new to the market or using software. As I was showing you guys all these different trading bots that we use, and I got a really cool video coming up after this. Possibly tomorrow I'll share with you another one of those types of software that's going to give you an edge. So what was our edge today? This was an easy play. Again, I would say that the markets has experienced its worst day in a long time 2 days ago when that Argentina rug came about. The market sentiment was at an all-time low. But that was the same day where I made literally 600%. Well, really 400%, but it went to a high of 600%, okay? 6x. And that was right here. We were talking about Vader's EAO, or its early agent offering, and they launched a token called Billy Bets that I shared with my alpha group. And if you guys want access to my alpha group, make sure you join by clicking on the link in the form of the pinned message in the comment section, Mad Alpha over there, and follow the basic instructions in that pinned message, all right? So this was the clear advantage we had over people, is because we were getting in early before it hit the market. And this launched at a 2 million fully diluted valuation, okay? That's what the market cap was. So if you got into this sector over here and we click on the EAOs, all right, you are now allowed to actually invest into this project, right here. This was the one that I invested in. So this was 850 virtuals, and I got another 2,500 in. That brings it to about 3,500-ish. And that works out to be about $3,500 because, you know, that's what virtuals was. It's roughly approximately $1 at the time. So I invested $3,500 worth of virtuals, and this thing went to an all-time high of 6x, okay, which was a market cap of $12 million, and I was able to sell at $8 million, okay, giving me, if we do the basic math on that, right, that's a 4x times 3,500, that equates to $14,000, all right? So that's how that worked out. And the good thing about this is, you know, Vader's actually going to have more projects come into this EDO. And one would expect that they will do similar things because what they're allowing here is for the snipers not to gobble up these tokens very early. All right, they're allowing people like us to get it early and be the snipers. And that's the edge you're going to have here. Again, you need an edge. If you're doing what everybody else is doing and trying to trade these aftermarket tokens and that's all you're doing, chances are you're not going to make it in the long run, right? So that's how this worked out, you know. And when we go like this, you know, there is some Vader that needs to be staked, but just keep in mind, if you stake that Vader, you will get access to the next project and the next project that seems to have this you know, this nice token economics that's really going to bode well. So why is this project really good? Because it's called Ask Billy Bets, and this is part of BitTensor's Subnet 41 Sports Tensor, a very high quality sort of machine learning, for AI, right? When it comes to AI, BitTensor's up there and a couple of others, right? But BitTensor really stands out. So this is coming from a subnet project from BitTensor. And, those are really high quality projects and AI, machine learning algorithms, if you will. Okay. So when we come back over here now, this is it right here. Sports Tensor. As you can see, it's legit. Subnet 11 has partnered with Subnet 41 at Ask Billy Bets. Okay, so that's what Billy Bets is right here. Building the sharpest AI agent in the game. Ask Billy Bets, right? So this is a sports betting AI agent that makes plays for you, and they are on fire. They've been doing really well as with their sports picks, and I think the terminal should be coming out soon. So what we have over here is we have a legitimate project that's using, one of the better technologies in AI and crypto through BitTensor subnet, and then we have a terminal that's coming out in a matter of days, and the token is tied into the actual protocol, and then you need an edge. Okay, those are the criteria in today's market. Maybe things get stupid where, Bitcoin's going up to say 100 past 100K, we're at 105K, and dumb money's coming in and everything's popping off and things change. But as it stands right now, you need to have those things in check. You need to have quality projects, real teams. You need to have a token that's actually attached to a platform, okay, that's going to be live very soon or already live. And then you need an edge, whether you're using software, you're using, getting into tokens before they actually go live. What is your edge? What is the token's use case? Who are the people behind it? What's the technology? Is that all active right now? Well, that's exactly what we have here with Billy Bets, ladies and gentlemen. And, you can come on over here to their website and see a little bit more of what they do, right? So that's that. Now, there's something else that's happening. By the way, once again, if you want to join the Agent Alpha Alphonso chat, AAA+, make sure you do so by going to the comment section in the form of the pinned message or even in the description box if you want the next banger, all right? Because it's going to be bangers coming out here. We got a lot stored for our community members over there. So another thing that's taken the markets by storm today that I've been speaking about for some time as well, waiting for this moment to happen, dating back to early of January last month, is Kaito. So people have got this airdrop, the Kaito airdrop, that's worth in some instances tens of thousands of dollars for people. I believe if you are yapping and earning these points, right, through on Twitter, you were able to get these airdrop, and I believe it launched at $1.60 for one yap. All right. Or if you had the NFT, you got roughly 7,200. So, if you're not familiar with Kaito, I'm actually a paid member for their service, and it's unbelievable. I say it's ChatGPT plus Google for crypto all in one. All right, but specifically for crypto. So I'll just share with you guys what Kaito is if you don't know. It's an AI tool that shows you all the different things that's on crypto Twitter, what people are talking about, but they index and aggregate this information for you in a very organized way. So you can look at various token mind shares. You can look at narrative mind shares. If you click that, it just tells us, right off the bat over here as this populates what's happening. And of course, Kaito is taking crypto Twitter by storm, and they are leading the way right now when it comes to token mind share. We can look at narrative mind share, and AI is just always on top here. Then it comes to memes. So it's a great tool to have some insights to the market sentiment, as you know, is very important. KOL mindshare, what the top KOLs are talking about, over here, very interesting, right? And over here is where the yaps are. So yeah, all of these guys right here, they got a shit ton of yaps, a shit ton of tokens, and we could see it sitting right here at right now 89 cents. It was at $1.55, but people made some good money off of this. And lo and behold, we do have the likes of Binance that will be, listing Kaito as well. So there could be a potential opportunity here for people to try to bank some coin when it comes to, potentially swing trading this. But at these prices right now, I'm expecting this thing to still go down, and it went down significantly, right, from $1.60. But think about it. You got all of these freaking damn guys, as I said, right here, okay, who are getting, like all of these guys here, all of them here. They have literally as I said, maybe 40,000, 30,000, 20,000, 50,000, some of them, depending on how much yaps they got, that they will sell. All right? They will sell. And that's what we're seeing, why we're seeing this come all the way down to 89 cents when it was up right here. Okay, so just be on the lookout for that. Maybe if you could get into an entry around, I don't know, like I would say 75 cents, give or take, that might be a good place for you to go in. But Kaito is a legit project, and they do have a lot of things stored for this particular token, as the token economics has come out here on their official Twitter. So announcing the Kaito token economics, Kaito will function as the main currency of our AI-powered InfoFi ecosystem. That's what they're dubbing this sort of like category as InfoFi. Oh my god, it's a tongue twister. InfoFi ecosystem, driving market forces with holders actively participating and shaping the network by influencing the distribution of attention. Network currency functioning as a primary medium of exchange ecosystem. So it looks like they got a lot stored in store for this token. And here we go get more insight. So 56.67% is devoted to the community and the ecosystem. Of that, 19.5% going towards initial long-term community airdrops and incentives. So this is an ongoing process. So anybody could get in on this action in the near future. Okay, 32.2% ecosystem network growth. Okay, cool. And they break it all down here for us. I'll leave a link for this as well in the description box for everybody to take a look at. Okay, but one thing you want to pay attention to over here is, this is Kaito's section where they have these sort of like pre-TGE or, pre-existing projects where people who own their NFT, or if you have yaps, you could actually vote here. And if you vote here, you get airdrops to these new projects. And once again, these are, one of the more influential people on Twitter, or people who have smart followers or some form of influence. And if they're voting for these things, I'm led to believe that, they're actually going to be like this project here is Palmer Labs, etc. This one is Camp Network, Pump BTC, etc., etc. So the ones that these people, the Kaito community, while they're voting for these projects on Kaito and they're accepted, and Kaito says, okay, well, we voted for this one, it's going to go live, here's your airdrop, of course they're going to be shilling this on Twitter, and that could cause the market to buy into them. So there's opportunities here as well if you still want to yap. If you want to get the NFT is I think it's like 2.3 ETH. 4 days ago it was like over 10 ETH. So if you see value in this side of things over here, when it comes to their Kaito Connect is what they're calling it, when you connect your Twitter account to it, and you want to get more airdrops, well, you got that opportunity as well, guys. It's been really crazy in the markets, man. Solana has taken a hit with all of these celebrities, all of these, traditional influential people coming into our space, taking away your liquidity and your money. Don't buy into that garbage. You can play that game, but as long as you bounce before they bounce, and you know the rules of that game, but look for quality projects in Solana, virtual Solana, in base. And I think that's where the meta is going to be. There's some other opportunities outside of there, but I don't think that's going to, we're going to reap those rewards right now, maybe later on in the year. So that's pretty much what we do, man. Join the Alphonso chat. Link is in the comment section and also in the description box if you want tomorrow's newspapers today. So there ain't really much left to say other than until my next video, it's going to be a good one. I'm going to show you guys a new tool that I've been using, and I've been seeing some really good results with it. Your ass is on your own. Francis Dune, Uncensored.